Okay. All right, so if you do the factor tree, 343 is made up of 7 times 7 times 7. You understand that these are prime numbers? Yes? You remember that? Okay. So why is the calculator giving you 7 rad 7 as a simplified radical? If you guys understand square roots, that means you have to have a pair of the number to take it from a radicand to an integer. So here's what I mean. You guys know that the square root of 4 is 2, correct? Okay, but why? Because 4 is 2 times 2. See how I have a matching pair of 2, 2? And it's a square root. So every time you have a pair, that number becomes an integer outside of the radical. Okay, so if we come back to here, I have one pair of 7s. This is a pair. So it's able to exit, right, the radical. It becomes an integer 7, and this 7 is a loner. It's alone. It doesn't have a partner. So it stays in the radical, and that is why your calculator is giving you 7 rad 7.
Wow.
Do you need to do this moving forward? Yeah, when we get to like quadratic formula and so forth, you have to know how to do this. All right. Okay, let's look at 112. So throw 112 into the calculator. What's the square root of 112? Hit equal. I get 4 rad 7, which is a simplified radical. Hit SD, and I get 10.6. 10.6. Be able to prove the 4 rad 7 by hand. Remember, you're always allowed calculators in here on work, quizzes, tests, whatever. So you always have access to it. But you should know, where does the 4 rad 7 come from? Take 112. Take your factor tree. What's 112 divided by 2? 56. 56 is 7 times 8. 8 is 2 times 4. 2 times 2. So what is the factor tree of 112? 2 times 7 times 2 times 2 times 2, right? Can you create pairs? What pairs do I have? A 2? How many 2 pairs? Does that make sense? Yeah, 2. Right, right. Right? I have a pair here, and I have a pair here, right? I have 2 pairs of the number 2, right? So I have a pair of 2s. I have another pair of 2s. 7 is my loner. And so what's 2 times 2? 4 rad 7. Okay. All right. What time is this? When do we get out of here anyways? 17. Okay. All right, so do 3 and 4, and then we'll jump to the numbers. So do 3, 4, where's the positives? 9, 10, and then I'll wait to go over the negatives with you, okay? Don't do the one with the negatives. And by the way, if you threw it in your calculator, you're getting syntax error anyways, right? You should be getting rejected. Okay, yeah. Hold on, let's see if I can...